Given two equation, line and curve, to find the slope of the curve is equate. So, y equals to x, so x equals to x. Yan, na-equate na natin. Then, arrange natin para masolve natin yung x. Ito na yung arrangement. Then, punta tayo sa calculator, mode, equation, tapos cubic kasi tatlo yung ano niya. Then, calculating 1, walang x squared at 0, so 0, 0. Tapos, saan tong x? Dapat, nasa dito siya. Magiging dapat 8. I know, negative 8 siya kasi it's cubic pala. Hindi siya unknown. Negative. Kuha natin yung roots. 2 and so 2. Tapos, gamitin natin yan siya sa derivative. D over dx. Tapos, yung equation natin ng curve. Magiging ganyan siya. So, yan yung slope ng curve natin. Which is, yan siya. So, that is our slope of the curve.